everybody. I just wanted to do a quick recap about the remaining assignments and show you that hopefully, fingers crossed, the final is posted. I know I had some trouble with the midterm for some reason, but I'm hoping that the final is posted. Okay, so remember for Module E, you will do a Flipgrid post, and this is due tomorrow. It looks like only 3 of you have done this so far, so don't forget that Module E is a Flipgrid post, okay? So again, remember you'll log in with your g.fmarion.edu address, and you will choose one of the following questions, okay? Either the Chapter 9 question or the Chapter 10 question, okay? Again, there are a few of you who have done it, so thank you to the 3 of you. And remember, I upped the time to 10 minutes just in case you need that much. You may or may not, but I didn't want you to feel rushed. Okay, so remember, this is due tomorrow. You will again choose option 1, choose option 2. If you think about it, just tell us which one you're choosing, option 1 or option 2, at the start of your recording. If you have already recorded and you did not do that, that is fine. My life will go on. But if you haven't recorded yet, just try to say, oh, I'm answering option 1 or I'm answering option 2. All right, but remember that is due, excuse me, tomorrow. So that is Module E. Remember, Module F is due this Friday, and that is where you will, hold on, choose one web quest and complete the activity. Remember, there are 2 options here, and one of them is about listening and listening skills, I think. Hold on, I have to make sure. And then the other one I know is about reading, but let me just see what this one is. So this one is about listening, apps that help build listening and speaking skills. So you're going to either do that one, or you will, not that, or you will choose the Chapter 12 web quest assignment. All right, that's due this Friday. So Module E, again, tomorrow. I'm recording this on Monday. So Module E is due tomorrow, Tuesday. Module F is due Friday. And then Module G, this one is the one that might take you the longest, or should, how about that, take you the longest. It should take you about an hour. So what you will do for Module G, you will choose one IRIS module. Remember, if you don't know how to work through an IRIS module, watch this video first, or this recording. This recording was not done by me. It is actually from the IRIS Center. So probably not as funny as mine. No, I'm just kidding. But if you don't know how to work through an IRIS module, just check that out. And then you will either choose family engagement, collaborating with families of students with disabilities, or RTI Part 1, an overview, and then you will answer the questions. Okay, so there are, I don't know, I think I showed you last time, 4 or 5 questions. I think one of them has 4 questions and one of them might have 5. Hold on, trying to find it for you. Okay, so I know the spacing is all off. I know. All right, so this one has family engagement. This one has 5 questions. Numbers 4 and number 5 both have A and B. So your answers should be more than a sentence, right? So there is describe, okay? So we're not just going to have one sentence that says, oh, parents are upset when a child has disability. No, tell me about the different emotions that parents might feel, okay? Identify and describe 3 additional roles. Briefly describe, okay? So put some thought into these questions. Again, you should be able to work through the module and answer the questions within about an hour or so. Okay, some of you might find, it's more beneficial to watch the video or watch the module, the specific part, and then stop it and then answer the questions. Some of you might kind of be able to type as you go. So it's whatever works for you, but I want more than, each of these answers should be, 3, 4, 5 sentences, something like that. Don't quote me. Don't say, oh, you said 3 sentences. That's all I'm doing. No, but look at the question. Describe, explain, okay? So more than a sentence, okay? So same for if you choose the other IRIS module. All right, so take some time with the IRIS modules, more than one sentence, put some thought into your answers, okay? So there you go. Module E, again, is due Tuesday. That's your Flipgrid post. Module F is due Friday. That's where you choose a web quest and complete that. Module G is your Irish, I always want to say Irish. It's not an Irish module. That's why it's hard to say iris and module together. So Module G is your IRIS module. Again, you only need to choose one of the choices for each of the modules. And then your final exam. And like I said, it should be visible. So there are 33 questions, just like, or there is 33 questions, whatever you want to say, just like on the midterm. So those 3 questions are just me being super nice and generous or something. So, and that is due next week, right? Next Thursday. So your Module G is due next Tuesday and your final is due next Thursday. Let's just go back to the calendar really quickly. All right, so here we are. We are already, we're done with this. We're done with this. We're done with this. So there are less than 2 weeks to go. Module E, again, I'm recording this on the 20th. Module E, and happy belated Father's Day from yesterday to anyone who identifies as a father or thinks of yourself as a father. I hope you all had a great day. So Module E, chapters 9 and 10 is due tomorrow. Flipgrid post, right? Don't forget to go into Flipgrid. Just log in right from Module E. It'll take you right to Flipgrid. And then you'll choose one question for either chapter 9 or chapter 10. Module F is due Friday the 24th. You will choose one web quest for chapter 11 or chapter 12. And then Module G is due next Tuesday the 28th. You will choose one of those 2 IRIS modules, not Irish, that I just showed you. And then your final exam, remember, this is due Thursday, June 30th. Remember, your midterm was due Thursday. Your final is also due Thursday, June 30th. Also hard to say. So class will close on that day. So make sure you get everything, submitted, or your final submitted by the 30th. Remember, you need to submit the assignment for Module G before you can access the final. All right, and I think that is pretty much, that's all we have left. So Module E, Module F, Module G, and your final exam. And then you're done. So I will probably see some of you again in the fall for classes, and some of you I think I'm done with. So it's been great working with all of you, and I look forward to seeing a good number of you again in the fall. Okay, so, but again, don't forget Module E, Flipgrid, Module F, WebQuest, Module G, IRIS module, and then your final exam, and then you're done. All right, thanks everybody. Have a great day. And again, if for some reason you cannot see the final exam, you should be able to now. You should be able to see it. I'm kind of in the student view as much as it can be. So hopefully you are able to access the final. All right, have a great rest of the semester.